Entrical, a high-level security company working with global law enforcement and corporate security, has decades of experience in detecting core temperature change. For 17 years, the involvement in two of the previous worst deadly infectious concerns, Ebola and SARS. Temperature scanning those entering locations such as airports, hospitals and businesses continues in the success in saving lives by the isolation of those with a raised temperature. No, not with those handheld or wall-mounted digital temperature scanners. They are not reliable and certainly do not securely produce the correct temperature of an individual. Checking the temperature via the forehead or the wrist is not conducive to knowing the core temperature of the body. Those devices have no comparison of the humidity or temperature in the environment location. The person using the digital thermometer is inconsistent in the checking, becomes inefficient quickly, and lo and behold, the batteries drain fast, giving false readings of those checked. Entrical's auto-body temperature scanning camera solution is the benchmark in public temperature detection for COVID-19 and virus security. Created and designed in the U.S.A., Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Urbandale, Iowa, and London. Manufactured in both the U.S.A. and U.K. How you take the measurement impacts the accuracy of the system. Studies show the best correlation of core body temperature is measuring the temperature of the inner corner of the eye, the canthus or the tear duct. Entrical Eye's Frontline elevated auto-body temperature thermal radiometric cameras measure the canthus, the tear duct, which is the most stable relative core temperature externally. For accurate E.B.T applications, a Blackbody is necessary. The Blackbody instrument is a calibration device. It calibrates every second to ensure the accuracy of the device and readings. A Blackbody device is required as it provides a constant reference temperature to assure accurate temperature monitoring during continuous operation. It is also essential that the person faces the camera straight on and removes any facial or headgear such as glasses, hat, hair, or anything else that obscures the eye area. Keeping the eye area free from accessories is important because the inner canthus is the most accurate way of measuring a person's internal body temperature.